Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You want to filter by color right away. First, confirm your data has a clear header row and that the table range is selected. Next, assign the colors you need. Use Home right arrow fill color to mark cells, or use conditional formatting to color by rule so the Y is reproducible. Once done, enable the Auto Filter on the Data tab. This creates drop-down arrows on each header. You've completed the initial setup and are ready to target specific colored cells. Now you'll apply the filter. Click the drop-down arrow in the column header that contains colored cells and choose Filter by Color. Pick the exact fill or font color shown. If you need more precision, use Filter by Color twice on different columns, or use the filter menu's text/number filters to combine criteria. That lets you intersect color with values. Make sure to clear other active filters first, so color filtering behaves predictably. And note conditional colors reflect rules, not manual fills. Finish by reviewing the filtered subset to confirm it matches expectations. If it's correct, you can copy or export the results. When done, clear filters via Data right arrow clear or toggle the filter button to remove drop-downs. If colors aren't appearing as options, make sure cells aren't formatted inconsistently, merged cells, or mixed fill vs. Conditional formatting can hide colors. Troubleshooting tip: convert conditional format.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.